Hello students, as we already started our new subject BA, today we are starting another new subject economics. Okay, uh, because both subjects are going parallel, that's why I am trying. दोनों साथ साथ चलते रहे इसलिए, क्योंकि अब तक इको का एक भी लेसन स्टार्ट नहीं हुआ है. ओके, 11th कॉमर्स इकोनॉमिक्स यूनिट 1 इकोनॉमिक्स एंड इंट्रोडक्शन. व्हाट इज इकोनॉमिक्स, उसका इंट्रो है और उसका पूरा लेसन है इंट्रोडक्शन पे. ओके, मीनिंग ऑफ इकोनॉमिक्स. द वर्ड इकोनॉमिक्स इज इन इंडियन थॉट इज अर्थशास्त्र विच इज डिराइव फ्रॉम द संस्कृत वर्ड अर्थ. एक संस्कृत वर्ड है अर्थ, उसका मीनिंग होता है पर्पस, गोल. आपका गोल क्या है, आपका रीजन क्या है, पर्पस, आप क्या चाहते हैं. Thus, the economics is the science of benefits or purpose in practical life. Normally, in practical life, we are thinking that you want something and therefore you do some activity. It's called economy. Purpose, benefit. The English word economics is derived from the Greek word oikonomos. Greek word है oikonomos. Opos means household and nomos means management. It means management starts from our household activity, from our house, own house. Okay, that's why okos means household and nomos means management. Household activities का manage करना, it's called oikonomos in Greek. Hence economic is management of household. That's why economic is called is management of household activities. Okay, this is the simple meaning in simple word. Economic in Indian thought. Okay, what Indian is thought, having thought about economic. The history of Indian culture is more than 5,000 year old. Okay, as you already know in history. Indian philosophy provides insight into way of life. Indian philosophy में जीना कैसे जीना है, जीवन, उसकी बातें बताई गई है. A way of life. Okay, how to live life. The four पुरुषार्थ यानी पर्पस, पुरुषार्थ जिसको हम बोलते हैं हिंदी वर्ड ऑफ लिविंग आर धर्म, अर्थ, काम, मोक्ष. धर्म मीन्स योर ड्यूटी. ओके, अर्थ मीन्स टू गेन समथिंग, वर्क. काम मीन्स योर डिजायर, what you desire. And moksha means salvation, liberation. Okay, there are four main things in Indian or economics or Indian mythology. An activity done with the purpose of benefit is called economic activity. Okay, this is the definition which we have written in BA subject also of economic activity. आपको कुछ चाहिए, उसके लिए जो आप इकोनॉमिक बेनिफिट चाहिए, वो आपका पर्पस है. That's why you are doing this activity, particular activity. It's called economic activity. Okay. Almost 2,500 years ago, mentioned by Kautilya. कौटिल्य किसका नाम है? चाणक्य आपने सुना होगा. चंद्रगुप्त मौर्य फर्स्ट एंड सेकंड. चंद्रगुप्त मौर्य के गुरु थे चाणक्य. उन्होंने जो बुक लिखी अर्थशास्त्र यानी इकोनॉमिक्स, उनके ऊपर से उनका नाम हो गया कौटिल्य का अर्थशास्त्र. Second name of Chanakya is Kautilya. So this is the beginning of economics in Indian thought and meaning of economics from different countries, according to different countries. Okay, so we have started this first lesson, economics and introduction. I am providing you in the WhatsApp group this whiteboard's photo. Make a fair notebook, give the title of unit 1 and just copy out the same whiteboard in your notebook. डिट्टो कॉपी कर लो, इस पे जो लिखा है वो आप नोटबुक में लिख लो. ओके, नेक्स्ट टॉपिक वी विल सी इन आवर नेक्स्ट लेक्चर. थैंक यू.